What's going on, Caballeros? It's Alejandro, and in today's video we're going to talk about what we're doing for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Stay tuned. Before we dive right in, I just want to take a moment and say thank you guys for your ongoing support. To our customers, thank you so much for believing in our brand, supporting our family-owned business. Without you, there is no dream. Without you is honestly just an illusion. So thank you so much for your ongoing support. Thank you for your patience. And just thank you. For those of you that are not our customers just yet, whether it's you're still thinking about it, whether you don't have the finance to do so, we completely understand. You know, we know with everything going on in the world, we know it's hard for a lot of people right now. So I want you to know that we offer afterpay. You can buy the shoes now, pay later. That's something that we offer. We also have our sample sales. What that means is we have shoes that we literally use for photos, you know, for a photo shoot, and then we actually are able to resell them to you for a very, very low price. And then make sure to sign up to our email newsletter. We actually do giveaways, and there's an opportunity that you can get free shoes that way. So that's that, and I want you to know that even if you haven't purchased, the fact that you like, comment, share, you know, that to us means the world. So we really appreciate your support, and for that we are extremely grateful. All right, with that said, let's dive right in. And here are the 4 things that we're doing for Black Friday. Number 1, we are doing a Black Friday drop. We are releasing 3 new styles to our website, and on top of that, we're gonna offer them at 50% off with a guaranteed delivery before Christmas. So for those of you that are shopping around for your loved one, this is a great opportunity to get them their present at a very, very low price. Number 2, we are going to be offering our new distress collection for 50% off. Super excited about that. Something to keep in mind, guys, we're only doing this for the first 200 orders. After that, unfortunately, we won't be able to have this offer. So make sure you take advantage, make sure you jump on it as quickly as you can. You don't want to miss out. Number 3, so let's talk about our made to order collections. So when you visit our website, you may notice that some of our products has an MTO label on them. What that means is we're offering them as made to order. You buy the shoes and we actually give you a discount on them, and all you have to do is be patient with us and wait 30 days for us to make the shoes and deliver them. For Black Friday, what we're doing is we're expediting delivery on those, so from 30 days to 5 to 7 business days. So super excited about that. So you'll definitely get your made to order shoes a lot quicker. And we're also going to be offering our suede jodhpur boots as a made to order as well. So you're able to get them quickly. We're going to expedite those shoes from 5 to 7 business days instead of a regular 30 days. So super exciting. We are upgrading everything for made to order so you guys can get your shoes much quicker. And to keep things off, guys, on Thursday at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we're going to be sending 3 codes, one for $300, the other one for $150, and the last one for $100. You can add those codes to your additional discount. Essentially, you could potentially get a free pair of shoes. The way to enter, all you have to do is make sure to subscribe to our email list. We're going to be sending that email sharp at 12:30 p.m. on Thursday. The faster you get that email, the quicker you get to the website and check out that pair. Those pairs are yours. That credit is yours. So make sure you take advantage of that. And who knows, maybe we'll give you a little early access to Black Friday. So thank you guys again for your amazing support. We hope you're as excited as we are. If you have any questions, make sure you ask. You can text us, call us, email us, social media, whatever is easier for you guys. We are here ready to help. Happy Thanksgiving, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.